Hi guys, so this will be a quick tutorial on how I created this busted lip. First off, I will be taking off any excess oil on her skin with the Mehron skin prep, and I'll be following it up with Lindy Sfx Spirit Gum. So this is an adhesive and it will be used to lay down the next product we'll be using on her skin. Now this is our Lindy Sfx nose and scar wax, and this is going to create an illusion of a fixed skin on her skin. And so to know that your spirit gum is ready, it has to be tacky like so. And we'll be applying our nose and scar wax on the area where we have the spirit gum. And with the aid of our Vaseline, so important, we'll be using that to blend out the edges of the nose and scar wax. So I'll be using my spatula to do the blending, and make sure that you take your time. Even if you take longer time in this particular stage, it's quite very important because you need that area to be well blended into her skin. So I'm going in now with my setting powder, and this is going to help me take away all the shine from that Vaseline. You don't want that shine. And so the next product we'll be going in with is Lindy Sfx liquid latex. So I'll be applying this just at the edges of our nose and scar wax, and the reason is for the nose and scar wax to lay put all through the day, so whenever she makes mouth movement, it's not going to fall off. So when the liquid latex gets to dry, it gets transparent, so I'm hastening the process with my mini hand fan. So now I'll be using my spatula to create my desired cut. You can do whatever you like with it. So now we're going in with our scar wax sealer. So what this does is it seals the entire surface area of our nose and scar wax and makes it easy for us to apply foundation, apply any other paint over it. So now we're going in with our foundation, and I'll be using the foundation shade that matches her skin color. Still using my same sponge just to paint over that, and now sealing it with the setting powder. So now this is an alcohol activated paint, and I'll be activating it right now with alcohol, starting with the first color I picked. So I'll be using my sponge to stipple around the injury and going in with the second color. Just play around this, but don't take too much. If you take too much, you can use the alcohol to dissolve it to take off too much of the redness. So I'll be using my brush to paint into our cut, and this is the second shade I'll be going in with to make it a bit darker. So I'll be using this to turn down the redness around the injury. You don't want it looking so fake. Now I'll be using Lindy Sfx Coagulated blood. This is a thick blood, and I'll be placing it just into her into the injury, and this is going to create a fresh cut illusion. And so I'm going back and forth with the paint, and just to make sure it looks very realistic. So yeah, this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. For more videos like this, do subscribe to our channel. And if you would love to try your hands on what we just created, our products are available, and you can reach out to us on Instagram. I will leave our link below on the description, and I would love to see what you guys come up with. Bye.